Welcome back to MilesTech YouTube channel, the channel where we share simple tech guides, internet tricks, and mobile tutorials to make your digital life easier. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be directing the Senior 6 candidates who sat for their results, who sat for their exams last year on how to check UACE results using your phone. You're going to look at two easy methods. The first method is checking UACE results using SMS, and the second method is checking UACE results online using the internet. So if you recently sat for the UACE exams and you want to see your results quickly using your phone, this video will guide you step by step. Make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important step. So what is UACE? UACE stands for Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education, and these are the exams taken by students after completing Senior 6. The results are released by Uganda National Examinations Board, commonly known as UNEB, and once released, students can check them using SMS on their phone or online through the UNEB results portal. Now let's go step by step. I'm going to break them into steps whereby you can use the SMS and the online on your phone. Let us start up using the SMS. Open your messaging application on your mobile device, this one. And then if you open the messaging application on your phone, tap create a new message. On some devices, you may see a simple thing that will be looking like this right here down, and on the other Android devices may have that one, a plus button up right there. So we have two forms. Now let us go and click on that new messaging. Then we are going to go where we type from a new message, then we put UACE, we leave a space, we put in our school center number, in this case U2898, and then your personal number, in this case 523, your personal number. Then after writing, make sure that you write the index number exactly as it appears on your exam slip. Then step 2, we're going to go where we send the messaging application, or the person we're going to be sending it to will be 6600, and then we press the tick. Then wait for a few seconds. Keep in mind before sending that you must have an airtime balance of 500 Uganda shillings. So send using either Airtel or MTN. So let us start up with the online method. If you have internet access on your smartphone, you can also check your results online. Let us go. Open Google Chrome or any type of browser on your phone. Create a new tab, and then after, you're going to type in https://eleg.uneb.sc.ug/e-results. and then after send. Currently, the time I've made this tutorial, results are not yet released, but when they release the results, this portal will be open, and on this portal you just you will enter your index number correctly. You will click the submit or search button, and then your UACE results will appear on the screen, showing your subjects and grades. So keep in mind that if the website is slow, don't panic, because many students check results at the same time, which can cause the site to delay. Now, these are the common problems when checking results. Sometimes students face a few challenges, and here are some common ones. There is network delay. If SMS reply delays, wait a few more minutes and try again. There is wrong index number. Always confirm your index number before sending the SMS or entering it online. Website not loading. This usually happens when many students are checking results. Try again after some minutes, guys. And maybe I have now fully shown given you how to check both results online and SMS. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend if this tutorial helped you. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.